And here we go. Hey everyone, this is Amr again. I'm actually going to be doing two things. One, this is an unboxing video of a Quest 2. So let me grab that. And I'm back. So here it is. So this is the Oculus Quest 2. So this isn't the first Quest 2 I got. Rather, I returned mine to Best Buy because they recalled the old model, and I wanted to get the new model because one, it has double the storage, and two, they fixed the face area around the head. So as I'm going to be unboxing this, let me scroll down my camera a bit. And as I'm scrolling down, I'm going to be talking that while this is going to be an unboxing video, this is actually going to be a reply to one of my favorite science YouTubers, Derek Muller. Also known better for his channel Veritasium. And one of the things he talked about was 360 video and whether or not 360 video would be the future. And he made 7 different points. And I'm going to be right back again. Again, he made these 7 different points. So to read them out loud to y'all. To read them out loud to y'all, they are the 7 points of why he doubts that they would be the future is 1, high data rates and incredible amount of bandwidth that would be required to basically focus everything. And this was the second element, which was the resolution and difficulty transmitting those kinds of data rates. The third is our brains don't work this way. He argued that our brains focus on one object, not 360-degree immersion. And 4, the importance of directing our attention on what needs to be focused on. 5 was this adds to the clutter. It adds to the clutter of what we're learning and what we're experiencing, and adds to the teaching. And 6 is basically the same, which was even when we're both observing the same thing, it's already difficult enough to focus on one thing at a time. And the 7 is I wrote people replace textbooks. Okay, maybe I forgot point number 7. I may have to edit that in later. But, he argued that, the art of filmmaking, it's about focusing people on one thing and not the other. So I'm going to be answering that as I'm opening this. So I'm going to be putting my focus back on here. So, going back again to this, it is a really good system. But one of the things, and I think, I'm responding to something 4 years after the fact and 4 years later as it's growing. What's happening now with the increase of technology is, for one, you're starting to have cheaper things affordable like this. You have the Oculus Quest and the advancement of VR, which are allowing for complete 360-degree immersion. And so this has been a massive game changer to what's been enabled and capable with 360-degree video. And that leads to the point that 360-degree creates. It creates immersion. It creates the ability to focus on more than one thing at a time. So here's what's in the video. Apparently, I was told that this would be silicone, but apparently they changed it to another soft fabric, which is fine. And oh no, they actually added the silicone padding right here. That's really surprising. And they have the 2 controllers. And here is usually the box that has, it has the information manual and the charger. So that's the quick unboxing video of everything. I guess to answer him, I think, he was mentioning it from a 2D filmmaking perspective. But I think, as with anything, what has been shown with the 360-degree videos and what has been shown with the advancement of technology is advanced by the artist, the people who find use for it. There were already people, I had a friend of mine who shared that he knew a friend who was taking 360-degree videos so he could absorb everything and has been putting it into VR. And more than anything, it's been the artist. So I think, as sometimes as scientists, we look at science of this is the next big thing, this is that. But I think that's the value of creatives, of artists. It's when they see something and see, how can we expand this? How can we utilize this? And we have seen a lot of 3D technology come out and a lot of 3D stuff being made by videos. And you can find so many drone shots of experiences like for traveling. But you also see, for example, Quill Theater in Oculus, where people create these 3D environments and 3D experiences. And this is where you see different companies, you see the people who want to absorb in the experience or create an experience, absorb the experience from, say, a city, or absorb the experience from some place else, and or like, say, a town people rarely go to, or a city people rarely go to. Or on the flip side, you have people creating their own 3D environments where you can look around and experience the setting. And you have seen this more with the rise of it. So again, this is more of a response to Derek Muller's video 4 years ago on Veritasium or Veritasium 2, I don't remember which one. But I think it goes to show you that, we think that history is going to flow in a certain direction. And sometimes in retrospect, things look very differently. And it comes down to, who do you get supporting it? What are the communities that come around it? With Oculus, with VR, you've had a lot of people coming together. You've had a lot of people, coming together to build this. And, Facebook, for all their data collecting, for all their difficulties, they have definitely expanded the accessibility of VR. So people are more interested in jumping in. And it's interesting to see how and where the medium will go from here. So, yeah, that's my 2 cents. Part of me wonders, maybe y'all can link Derek Muller to this and, see what his response is to how 360 has changed over time. Anyway, talk to y'all soon.